Hi! Mega love shoutout everyone! Ako nga pala si April, editor and moderator for 3 years. Pero teka, bakit 3 years? Dahil this year, 4 na taon na ang Team Lenny at ang isang buong taong lumipas ay produkto ng determinasyon at creativity ng ating host na si Lenny Saturnino at ng buong Team Lenny. Angas! 4 na taon iba't ibang mukha, tinig, opinyon, advokasya at kwento na nagbigay inspirasyon sa atin. At syempre ngayong taon, narito ang ilan sa ating remarkable guests upang ipagdiwang ang ating 4th year anniversary.
Good day, I am Ella. And first, my experiences during the episode, You Are the Hope and the Future of the Young Ones, were meaningful. Through the interview, marami akong na-learn. And hindi ko talaga makakalimutan is yung medyo nahihiya pa ako noon. But dahil din doon, na-build ko yung confidence ko paunti-unti. And mamamagitan din ng interview ay na-share ko yung journey ko as a visually impaired, not only with the PWD na kagaya namin, but also with those who are sighted. And next, sa personality ni Ate Lenny, masasabi kong napakagaan ng vibe kapag kakausap mo siya. And kahit nahiya ako noon, I was able to answer the questions of ate dahil napaka-comfortable niya kausap, napaka-masayahin, and mabait. And my message, happy anniversary, and hopefully sana tumagal pa yung mga LS ni ate. Sana marami pang mga blind na tumangkilik. Hindi lang mga blind, maging mga sighted. And wish ko na sana marami pang ma-interview si ate na magiging daan din para mas ma-inspire pa yung maraming tao. And that's all. Thank you. And thank you din dahil naging part ako ng dati, last January 2023, na isa sa mga live stream ni Ate Lenny.
Hi Lenny, happy anniversary. It's been more than a year now, we haven't been chatting. Pero I know that your channel has been moving forward. Godspeed and more power to your channel.
Hello and happy anniversary to Ate Lenny's YouTube channel. I'm sending my anniversary greetings from Adelaide, Australia. Yan, I think I was interviewed on the channel way back 2022 or 2023, if I'm not mistaken. And I thought it was a very pleasant interview. And Ate Lenny was able to highlight my achievements as well as my challenges as a blind person. And it feels like, well, it's not really a talk show. It feels like it's an informal conversation. It feels like we're just talking as friends. So it's a very pleasant interview overall. And I think Ate Lenny was very kind and nice during the interview. I mean, she was funny as well somehow. So yeah, I enjoyed the interview very much, and I really wish that this channel will live longer. Happy anniversary once again, Ate Lenny, and to your channel. I wish you all the best, and sana mas marami ka pang ma-feature at ma-inspire through your YouTube channel. God bless you more, and your whole team. And yes, more power to you as well. Happy anniversary once again from Adelaide, Australia.
Wow! Imagine hearing their stories and being able to touch our hearts. Pero di tayo magtatapos sa 3 guests. Dahil +1 ngayong taon ng Team Lenny, narito ang ating current champion sa 2024 singing contest, Miss Emerine Ishe.
Ay taglay ang mga ito ay nabuo at nagtagumpay lagi. Tulong at suporta ang hatid sa nangangailangan, pag-ibig at pagmamahal na walang humpay sa lahat. Sa channel ni Lenny na puno ng liwanag, nagkakilala at nagkaisa ang lahat sa paghatid ng sigla at saya. Kasama ka sa 5 taong nagkaisa, channel mo'y tahanan ng pag-asa at tagumpay ng bawat isa. Marami ang dati dahil sa channel mong matatag ang tindig. Pagkakaisa ang naging kulay, sa bawat bulag ikaw ang gabay. Biyaya ka mula sa may kapal, kasyang bigay. Sandigan at kaibigan ka naming tunay. Sa 5 taon na paglalakbay, YouTube mo ay lumago, lumaki at naging makulay.
Happy anniversary!